find out afterwards that we have termites that were this door got to go. That's a good experience so far, guys. No matter remember right back and forth, them have it, them not have it, them have it, them not have it.
Say what you feel for say. Come me I say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Alright guys, so you remember I told you about the flooring that had to be taken up because of the water issue that we were having. Well, I have covered some of it because it goes all the way in here. You can see this is like literally, these are actually I just put back the board for it not to look this bad. So all this is actually lifted up. All this have to go underneath the washer, and it comes all the way here. Like I said before, I was trying to like kind of mask it. Then we had to take off the thingamajig here, the door frame or whatever you want to call it. That as well, so you can actually crack the drywall. So that's gonna have to be fixed. So the aim is to get this sorted out. And then we have an internal, this is like a linen closet, it kind of just store like laundry stuff, like the what do you call it, freaking this, the ironing board and stuff like that in your different storage. So we had to take all of this here. Find out afterwards that we have termites that were actually being treated, and that again never depend the disclosure when we're buying the house. So I have termites actually working on that. So we just got the stuff installed outside to get rid of the termites. So that's that. So we're gonna have all this fixed. You can see on the flooring on here as well. So we're gonna go to Home Depot to get the correct flooring and stuff like that to get that sorted out. Alright guys, so this is another project that I'll be working on. So we need to get this like scraped and repainted. This is the back deck. So this is another project. We need to get these all scraped and painted to get a new welcome mat, because we haven't been out here. So this don't know, it's there for like 2 years. So that needs to get a new one for that. So this is it. Need to get this painted. I also have some cushion, like what do you call it, like the seating for here and the back, so it's not just so tough when you sit down. So yeah, the flooring needs to be scraped, get it stained or whatever. Yeah, and just fix up around here so it's starting to look so. So this is the before. I think I'm gonna keep, I was thinking about changing the rails, but I think I'm gonna keep the rails because they're sturdy. Repaint them and stuff. So that is that. It's supposed to be a garden. See, everything bush up and everything started. So I'm gonna get this I'm gonna redo here. I'm gonna redo this, get some nice flowers and stuff, and get this sorted out to be my nice garden in the back. You can see that we spoke earlier about what terminates, so they planted a lot of these things inside of around the house to have the termites drawn to them. So that is one of the garden. Here I'm gonna redo here, maybe not this year, but I want to change the stones, and eventually we're gonna do like a patio setup here, like some tents and stuff like that. You know, you'll see that. This is later on. Back to the original plan. So this here, I'm gonna do like a raised garden here, but this is only gonna be set up for like my vegetables and my herbs. So all this, I'm gonna take out all these stones and have this like a raised bed and just fit this up really nice. So you'll see the aftermath of this, but like this gotta be fixed, like enough. So as you can see, this walkway is also going to be fixed. Hopefully it's fixed in this video. If not, then another time. But I want to fix this, get a different kind of walkway. This leads all the way to the back of the house, to the front, from the front to the back. This is another garden that I want to sort out. This is going to be like regular flowers. So I want to change like the borders and stuff that we have here, and get this sorted out, as well as over here. So not so bad, but I want to change the guards here as well and get this sorted out. Looks like beer and just, yeah. So I want to get like some mulch and stuff, get this sorted out, change the borders, and Yeah, make it look a little something going on. Now the main thing, this is the main area that we'll be working on. This is the staircase that we spoke about, that you see all these bricks are lifted. This got worse. Initially we had 1 and 2 bricks and we were just buying the house. No, this is just like a hot mess, and an accident ready to happen. So we're gonna get some new bricks for here. This is getting a little bit shaky because the foundation, the concrete, you're losing it here. So I'm gonna redo. I'm gonna change the railing for here as well. I want to change the railing. I think I'm gonna do black and do like metal all the way up, and then the main. I think I want to wash the wall. Hey baby, I want to wash the wall. I need to find out what we can use to actually get these off, like these stains and stuff. Redo the painting here for the windows. Okay, and the main thing is this door got to go. So we're gonna do this, change the whole frame thing and change the entire door, and I'm gonna change this to a red door. So that's what's gonna happen here. So that should give this a facelift of the house here. I'm gonna get like some red cushions and stuff to uplift here. So it's gonna be black, gray, and red. And I'm gonna like add some additional flowers and stuff to the yard. So that is the main attraction for the front yard. Get everything lined out. I think I also want to get some walkway thingamajig here as well. I want to change this out. This was where the tree was original that was giving us problem, that we had to pull and do the whole piping. So it was right there. So that being pulled out, you cannot just leave an open area there. So we want to, and it caused this. So this whole lawn needs to be changed, need to be fixed, and I think that's gonna be like next year money thing. But this, I want to change the whole walkway here as well. Also, I want to change this door. So this is the back door leading to obviously outside, where everything that I just showed you. So I want to change this because I don't want it so much, it's just too open. So I think I want to change and put this door at the garage, like, you know, the garage entering the house, so we can actually see through to see in the garage, and then put a different door here that is not so open, you know. So that's the other project. Another thing I want to change, people, maybe not immediately, but I want to change these rails. Like, I want to take this off the house, and these staircases I want to change. I want to stain it or paint it or something, but something gotta give here. I am not liking this at all. And this, we have like 2 sets of these display to. This is like the downstairs leading to upstairs, and then you have another floor from that going into the bedrooms area. So I want to change that as well. That leads into the basement. So I want to change these and have everything all uniforms. The staircase is a little bit different. I think I might have this stay. It's not so bad. It just needs to be polished and cleaned up and stuff. But like this got to go, and then this is the same thing here. Yeah, got to go. Like, I want these removed. I want to do something with here. Yeah. Yeah, got to go. Just gotta do something about this. $13.98. Sure, it's apple plant. You want apple plant? Grow apple? So you can't stop by. You need to get what? You need to get a cart. Try. See something on like the floor. We need the stuff them for garden so down here, etc. Tristan and Savannah, you guys want to pick some flowers, seed for the garden? Yeah? Which one you want?
I think one, please.
Pink one. This one?
But not that one. That one. On top. On that.
This one?
On that one.
Got you. Alright.
Try to save me. I feel alive. My world is I'm an emotional mess, yes, but you wouldn't want me any less, yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional I'm in a trance, spinning out of control.
These are the pavers. What may I talk about like figure on?
This is what they use for the ground, over the birds.
Money.
This is one of them.
That works up there too.
I see bricks around here, so. This one is a max weed control. Try. This is a max weed control, like this one is stronger than those. It's a weed control, but this is a max weed. Max. Which means they must be stronger.
Look for the roll. This, I have some of this one I think already too.
It's a 4x50. It's a 4x200. 34.68.
Copy this one.
Yeah. The thread in there. Free wall.
Wow, Sunny. Why is nothing have flowers? There's still flowers at home.
Trying to make the man rock is going on in here. So in the mean, so we get mulch in the meantime. The may I brick them? The my size?
No, I don't think it's a different sort.
What are these?
Them are different.
These are pavers.
Yeah, but we need brick. Brick and pavers are two different things. The rock, the stone, we need a something like that, smaller. These are rock, different from them something.
Might have a few steps.
No, nothing under that. That are pavers you need call it again. Yeah, brick and that two different things.
I don't want them. I just have.
No, we don't want them something.
I don't want. No, I don't. I'm saying this is what we have. I don't want this. So. Let me see the babe. Can you look close to this a while ago? It looks so different. Yes, baby.
Mama,
You know, like way off. Try that one. This looks similar with the cutting on the inside.
See, two different board. See, you can't go, see, look, see, you can't go like no method.
Oh,
You see it?
okay.
Because you make for going to the groove like this, two different groove. And them I want to think them discontinent. That
So-
I'm going to try to show you, you know.
I mean, that's the worst case scenario, then you just take off the whole damn board then.
You have to take up all TJ
Wait,
room.
this, no, we wouldn't have to go so far. Look on this one now. No, this is the same thing, sir.
I see space right now.
So that's fit.
So when, okay, so if this fit pan is up, right?
Yeah.
If this fit pan is up. One of the next piece if you go for yourself.
I guess that would go more to the corner.
Yeah, it's two different something.
This one is the same thing.
All of them are the same thing. I think they got some more. They got some more set over yourself.
Mommy.
What man said? Oh, this. Hold on a second. I want to see the back of this.
Register for free at homedepot.com/workshop.
This is way off. This look more green. This look more green.
And a different width too. So this was one of the problem why I mean,
That looks
say
similar.
Where the floor couldn't deal it. You can't get the same board them.
Yeah, but if the can't just a favor says that we have to lift up everything or whatever, you can't stay, sir. After the something that look close, that look
Yeah,
close.
you see the space?
So what that mean?
It's supposed to lock up tight. You see the space right now? Look on the space. It's supposed to lock tight.
Lock two of this end, let me see how them look. Lock two of the regular ends them together. There's the space.
Still have a belly in it. Some more special tool to put them in.
No, I'm just saying, doesn't it still have the same space we are talking about?
No. You said this have a special tool, you know.
No, it's how
see
it-
there now, look, see there now. Surface here, look. Rub your hand on it. That's how you're supposed to stay.
I'm thinking we may have to just go over the floor. Because the floor can't stay, so. The closest I may see to it at that one. I try to come in our pack.
Come to reverse.
8.
So the only seat, you go the end where we go start. If you go use this, the end where we go start from, go have a space in it. And which part to go close, go have a space in it. So now because you can't too thick enough. You have to thin enough. You have to really thin.
Okay.
Because the one where they're on the roof, the one where on the floor is thin.
Mommy,
Mm.
let's go.
Stuff for the house.
It's thicker than the one that they're on the roof. You can't put on the thick and
It's
thin.
taking so long. See them toilets. Mommy.
Oh, that's the door, yes, huh?
Browse the latest products and features and shop online to get one monthly for top brand kitchen packages and laundry kits.
You might call help in a floor and maybe they can help you out too. See door, yeah? This is the door.
It's
This is the door. I'm sure. So we're back here at Home Depot. So the last clip that you saw, I wasn't able to show you everything because it was just so crazy with the kids and everything. We didn't get a lot of things. We did not get any of the gardening supplies. We did not get any the rail that I wanted for the front patio, the front porch. Did not get that. Didn't get the stuff to go underneath the flooring. There's a lot of stuff that we didn't get. So Troy's gonna get those at a different Home Depot, and there's a garden area that's close by us as well that the Home Depot guy actually suggested that we could check out or recommended. So but today there's a different rail that I saw on their website that I'm going to check to see if they have it. If they have it, I'll be purchasing 2 of them. So hopefully them have it. There's a good rep that actually was helping us out. So I'm going to see if we can find them back. And let's see what we can get today. Alright? So let's go. You would think the first thing I want to do is to close the scar. So I'm going to put it back up here and get my stuff together. Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Let's see if we can find him. Alright guys, let's try to see if we can find him back. I was feeling weird. Get out of my shoes. Get into my car. Get out of my shoes. Get into my car. Hi, is George here today? Is George here today? He is? Can you call him for me, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, I didn't get the chance to show you the door the last time, but this is the door that I purchased. This is for my front door. And I cannot see the storm door. I don't see the storm door that I'm getting. I don't see the storm door that I have. But this one is going to be for the back door. Yeah. But I don't see the... Oh, right here. This is the black one. This is the one that's going to go to the front door. Something like this. Yeah. So now we're waiting on George to come. We'll find the picture in the meantime. Alright, so guys, the one I'm looking for, they don't have it. They don't have it in stock. So I'm looking for something like this. Like this, but inside it's gonna be a black rail. Like if you can see, let me see, like this. This is what I'm looking for. Like that. You can see up close to up there, so the black one inside. That's what I'm going for. But I don't have it. So this I have to order online. But I have to also order the top part of it like these. So I think I'm gonna go with the solar post here, and I'm gonna go with black. Not even matter. Let's check 2 of them here. Alright guys, so let me set me up at the Pro Desk area, Pro Services, for them to help me out to see if they can actually order the stuff and to see if this would actually work on it. So they're gonna order it here. So I'm not have to worry about that. So I'm just waiting for somebody to assist me in the meantime. So yeah, not a good experience so far, guys. No matter I'm right back and forth, them have it, them not have it, them have it, them not have it. So And it was at this time she realized that she was lost. Where's from the guy now? No, let me find George. Let me find George, because I can't do this. Yeah. George! Good morning, sir. Afternoon. Do you remember me? I'm all over the place. Everybody have me all over the place right now. Alright guys, so I've purchased I got the solar post gap. Right, for the post. I got 2 of these, and I eventually found George, and he showed me they actually had one of the regular rails, the straight one. They had like 5 of those, but it did not have the slant one. So again, they keep on sending me back and forth, but George finally confirmed that they don't have that. So I was gonna buy the regular one first and then get the other one delivered, but instead I just purchased everything online. So that's telling me that it should be here by next Tuesday. So if we're missing anything, then it should be able to get that elsewhere or whatever not. Yeah. But we have those. So stay tuned to see how everything turned out, guys, and the additional purchases that we have to make for the garden and stuff like that. And I hope you enjoyed, right? Go ahead and continue to watch, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next clip.
Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet.
So, this is the brick that I'm looking for. Did I bring this in there? And see if they can find it.
You can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him.
This is what they're outside looking like. A lot of stuff. Let me just get information first. I'm gonna walk up all up and up this. This is beautiful.
Mine can take you so far, it's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way.
Alright guys, so this is a gardening area. This more brick hit massive floors. No more floors. House plants. I don't see any form of bricks. This what is all floors, it's beautiful. Nothing bricks or anything. Try to find somebody. Sorry, do you work here? You don't? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying to find somebody who can help me. Oh, alright, let me try it this way. Thank you. Okay, that's the stuff up. I don't know. My first time here. I'm trying to find this brick. Somebody referred me up here, but it's like it's for the stairs on the outside.
Okay, outside, you mean like plants outside?
No, like for this brick is like for my steps to enter. Yeah, so I'm looking for something like this because it's all broken now.
Yeah. It would be all hardscape over there, right?
Oh, okay. I'm looking for it. Thank you so much.
No
I appreciate you.
Okay, bricks.
Huh? You guys don't? Oh, somebody referred me over here. Okay.
Cedar Mountain in Newington would be your best bet.
Newington.
It's just over the line, at the top of the Berlin Turnpike there.
Okay.
Right at the West Hartford Newington line.
Okay.
Cedar Mountain Stone. They have tons.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Alright guys, so I'm going to have it over here. Let's go Cedar Mountain Stones over Newington. So I'm going to call my husband and make him know about that. So I guess I'm wrong. The person who told me about here was somebody that somebody told me from Home Depot that I could actually get it here, but I can't. Alright guys, it's that part of the vlog where we actually go through stuff. All these Amazon packages that I'll be opening, I would definitely leave the link in the description box, okay? So you can always go ahead and check them out. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, please, and thank you. All right, so let's go into the first package. And in this box, I have 2 packs of the solar stake lights. It comes in, it's large. It says 215, I'm not mean. But it comes in a pack of, I think you have, much coming nights again. It includes rechargeable batteries, okay. It's a pack of 10. So I got 2 packs of them, so that will make it a total of 20. For some reason, like I'm gonna use this already and send it back. So these are the sticks. Are these brown or black? Them look brown, but I wanted them black. They look brownish. And it's the little manual thing. It looks brown, but hey, we'll make it work. We're not gonna send it back for that. But I thought they were black. So yeah, so you have, and it's solar. Alright, let me take it out. Fine. These are for outside, for the walkway. These are brown. I thought they were gonna be black. Because them look black on the sides. I don't remember them giving us any option to choose. But black. Put this back. It's gonna be on the outside once we get everything set up. I have the solar pathway lights. So it's like this. I'm gonna put these 2 out at the front of the entrance coming into the yard to see what they're looking like and how tall they are. These are LED lights and they're also solar, so that's good. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. This is actually black, so this is what I wanted, the black one. So this is what it's looking like, the top part. And then you have these. If you put it on, it is now. No, it's supposed to be hanging like this. So this part would actually come like this to hold it. And this go in here. Like this, and you extend it into 2 more pieces because it's 4, so 2 of this go for that so it can get long, and then you have the stakes that goes on here. So that's what it's looking like. You have to stay tuned for the whole video to actually see the outcome of this one. I'm really tempted to send back that something and it's brown enough. It's not supposed to be brown. Supposed to be black. Let's see what's in here. This one said keep this plastic bag away from children. It'll give me the details. But it says SeaWorld 2-piece artificial lights to core, no basket. Oh, guys, if you had watched my last video, you will see that I had this nice little decor thing like a vase to hang up outside, but then it didn't come with the plant itself. So I told you guys I went ahead and purchased it, and this is it. These are like vines. They're gonna be hung in there like this. Just like this. But inside it's hung like this. My question is, I think I may have to cut this because it's a little bit too long for it. So put it in and I drop some little bit of stones or stuff to kind of hold it in place, or I have to tape it in place. So it have that long effect. This looks a little bit too long, so I may have to like, I don't know. I'll make it work. I didn't know it was this long, but I'll make this work. So it comes with 2 packs. There's 2 pieces. Okay. So these again for outside. So these are the grass. So I showed you guys the other day The planter that I got, that's also a welcome sign. So these were bought to go inside of them, inside of it. So stick inside. So this comes with 5 pieces. 27 inches artificial plants, onion, gardening indoor decor, 6-pack. The indoor decor, you shall be going outside. Outside, but it's not gonna be in like in the weather first. It's gonna be right at the doorway. In here I have, it looks like more artificial plants. So this is artificial flavor orchid white artificial flowers, not flavors, artificial flowers. So this is what it's looking like. I'm not gonna pop it out right now, but it's like, this is also gonna go into the planter porch sign thing, along with the red one that you saw in the other video and the green leafy thing that you saw. Luxigo artificial flower pot. Oh. See how you look. Alright, we come with a little bit of thingy like introducing the company. So this is gonna go on upstairs. I have a little area there. I already have a vase up there with flowers, again artificial flowers of course, but I wanted something big, and I'm gonna move that one that I have upstairs because it's a little bit small on the porch. So this is gonna take the place for the one that I'm replacing, but this is really nice. I'll check it out a little bit. It's on the inside. See, really nice. It's not heavy, it's really light, but it's nice. And the flowers don't look that fake. And there you go. So yeah, this is for upstairs. Don't want to take that plant. So this is it. It's real, right? Yeah. See right here, so it's really nice. Which one, guys? It's really nice. I'm by myself. That's nice. So this is actually the cushion going outside. So I told you guys I wanted this is not the one I really wanted, but the other one also, we only had one single one of the other one that I wanted. It's like seeing burgundy, which you're gonna see here, but the back had a little bit of pattern on it with white, which would have come in perfect with the theme that I'm trying to do outside. But they never have it. This one, this scarcity, they only had one of this one, and by the time I purchased, I get another one. So I purchased it immediately because I didn't want to lose it. And then I saw the other one with the design at the back, and I tried to do that several times, even up to last night, like every time I go on there, but I can't find it's not, they don't have it. I know it's out of stock, like completely. The one that they have is just completely out of stock. So let me put this down and show you. It doesn't look big. I hope it can fit. So it can't fit. This looks big. This is the cushion, so this should be the back. This is the bottom. You tie this on the back down here, but it looks big. It looks big. I don't know if it can hold. I hope it can hold. I have 2 of these. The other big box is actually the same thing, but they look big. I really hope they can hold in the chairs that I have on the outside.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.